video, and you know, yeah, yeah, man, I appreciate a mic to me people. But any one of them me get, me appreciate, you know. But me really start off with the GoPro, you know, and further along, you know. Yes, yeah. So just go and stay tuned, me people. Enough respect, much appreciation, you know what I mean, for everything, for the subscriber, for the watch time taking his time climbing. You know, appreciate big up Oliver Lifestyle for the strength. Yeah man. Yeah man, big up all of the subscriber them. Yeah man. Yeah man, blessing man. So just appeal to the YouTuber them. So if you don't have a GoPro, you not use, if you don't have a mic, you not use, send it on. Cool? Yeah man. Yeah man, we there we do know me people, you know. I drink a double seven. So yes, my peeps. Positive vibes, you know. Today on Friday. As you guys can see from morning, I still right just you know. That's all my office, you know, my people. Yeah, me that wait on the chapter man. Yeah, I forgot to tell you know, my people, me have a car, Honda Stream car that crashed last year, you know. And you know, yeah, finally move it, put it in my backyard, you know. Cause the guy here that it was in, you know, me and him now to flex again, you know. Yeah, my people. So as I say, my people, I really appreciate it if you know what I mean. Colors can see a video and give me a strength, you know. Yeah. Sometimes if I get the GoPro, we just want a little strength, you know. Either, we appreciate it just like our Oliver Lifestyle. I appreciate the strength they give me, and you know what I mean. Yes, man. If we could make a muckle, sorry, my peeps, yeah, man. So, scratch me. Yeah man, so if anyone see a video and want to reach out to me, you can leave a comment and you can leave me number in the description and you can link up me and if you want to sponsor me a GoPro or as I said before, I would much super appreciate it, you know. Yes man, no joke. Yes sir, take your time. Yeah, my people, so as I say, we have whole heap of thing come, whole heap of adventure coming for now. You know what I mean? A whole heap of epic vlog, you know what I mean? Cause you know, straight visitor way deal with, so we have whole heap of exclusive vlogs coming right in our arena, you know what I mean? Right on the living room, you see me? Just like coming in my living room, you know? Yeah. But anyway, my people, enough respect and I appreciate all of the thing, all of the strength we see so far. The watch time I grow. That grows surely but slowly but surely one day. And we believe in our people and we believe in our fans them. You see me I say? Yeah man, so Mr. Mannix, if you see a video here, Color Summit, Oliver Lifestyle, enough respect, K Grant, Vibes 39, common sense, enough respect. You know, Ocean versus Noya vlog. A long time, you know, see them, you know if any other big channel get take away. But anyway, big them up so if them come across them can see say, yeah, me big them up and still remember them and still I wish great to see them. And big up yourself in a Fall Wildlife TV. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, big up yourself. And Junior Lifestyle of Fishing, D&G, Shark Man, King Yellow. Big up the whole of Junior Lifestyle team, fishing team, you know. Steph, big up yourself. Yeah man. Yeah my people. And big up Rampa Crapper. Yeah man, Junior Lifestyle General, you know? Yeah man. Yeah man. Big up all the YouTubers them from all over, from here to abroad. You see me I say? Yeah man. So as I say, anybody see a video here, sponsor me a GoPro, really appreciate it from my heart. Enough respect my people.